Welcome back to my channel, pizza lovers. Today we're diving into the delightful world of homemade cheese pizza. Picture this: flour dusting the kitchen counter, a beautifully risen dough ball, and the promise of a gooey, cheesy delight awaiting you at the end. Ready to become a pizza-making pro? Let's dive right in. First up, ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, instant yeast, salt, warm water, and a splash of olive oil. These simple items transform into the base of our heavenly dough. And of course, the star of the show, shredded mozzarella cheese. Imagine the melty, gooey goodness that will soon cover your pizza. Grab a big bowl and start mixing the dry ingredients, flour, salt, and yeast. Imagine you're a pizza wizard casting a spell. Give everything a good stir and then pour in the warm water and olive oil. Time to get physical. Knead that dough with your hands for a solid 5-7 minutes. Feel the transformation as it becomes smooth and elastic, ready to become your pizza canvas. Let the dough rest and rise for about 30 minutes. This downtime is perfect for a quick snack, just not pizza. When you return, your dough will be beautifully risen, like a fluffy cloud ready to be transformed. Sprinkle a bit of flour on your countertop and roll the dough out to a 12-inch round. Don't stress about perfection. Remember, it's all about the love you put into it. Now it's sauce time. I'm using a simple marinara made with tomatoes, garlic, and bay leaves. Spread it over the dough, leaving a little room around the edges for the crust. As the rich red sauce pools on the surface, imagine the flavors melding with the dough as it bakes. And now the pièce de résistance, cheese. Pile on as much shredded mozzarella as your heart desires. Think of that moment when you pull the pizza out of the oven, cheese bubbling and melting perfectly over the crust. If you're a cheese lover like me, the more cheese, the merrier. With everything assembled, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 475 to 245 degrees C, and carefully transfer your pizza to a baking tray. Watch as the dough rises and the cheese melts, forming golden pockets of deliciousness. The aroma will fill your kitchen, building anticipation. After about 10-15 minutes in the oven, your pizza will be ready. The crust will be golden brown, the cheese gooey, and the sauce bubbling. Slice it up and enjoy the satisfaction of biting into a piece you made yourself. Savor the harmony of the crispy crust, tangy sauce, and luscious melted cheese. Congratulations! You've made an epic homemade cheese pizza. Share your creation, bask in the compliments, and enjoy every mouthful. Tune in next time for more kitchen adventures. Until then, happy pizza making.